toxic energies right now. They're arguing with you. They're surrounded by a lot of negative people. You're listening everyone. The whispers of narcissistic traits in them. You are polite toward this person. This person is in the middle of a war. Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of May. Tuesday special. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Aquarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aquarius? What are the Aquarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aquarius? What are the Aquarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aquarius? And we are having here Five of Wands, Five of Swords, Devil, Nine of Wands. What have you done with your person, Aquarius? What are the Aquarians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Aquarians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Emperor, Six of Swords, Queen of Cups, Eight of Cups. What are the mutual energies? King of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Capricorn with this Devils, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Nine of Wands, Five of Wands, King of Wands, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Five of Swords, Six of Swords, Aries with this Emperor, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Queen of Cups, Knight of Cups, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ace of Pentacles. People talking about you and this person and this connection. There is some kind of discussion. This person feels some kind of competition towards you. They think a lot of people around you. Maybe it's your family, your friends, your colleagues. It could be anyone. But a lot of people. This person facing a lot of competition towards you. They all are discussing about you and this person. And this person is like in a toxic energies right now. This person is want to possess you, possessive towards you. This person is just like some kind of not good feelings, like surrounded by a lot of possessive energies, and a lot of the karmic pull. They feel addiction towards you, they temptation in them for you, and this person is tricking you, playing with you, arguing with you. This person is like right now argumental. They are arguing with you. There is a conversation that converted into argument, and because of this, these people talking about you, maybe your family, and this person is hurt. They really don't want to get hurt again. They're putting some kind of fence around them. They're protecting themselves, they're protecting their heart, because this discussion, this whispering, these whispers, and the drama, fake drama, is just like Aquarius. This person is surrounded by a lot of negative people, a lot of negative energies. They feel pulled towards you. They are obsessed over you. They want to possess you. They really don't want to get hurt, and for that, because they want some kind of control on you and they really don't want to give up on you, they are just like arguing with you, and conflicts and fight there. This person is in some kind of war and in some kind of battle. You are being practical here. You are ruling your own empire. You are strict now. You have to merge yourself with your strict self. You are right now totally strict. You are not talking about your feelings, your emotions, whatever you're feeling right now. You are not responding to this person. You are just silently listening everything. You are a good listener. You're listening everyone. The whispers, the discussion, this person's arguments, conflicts, whatever they're feeling right now, you are listening that peacefully, but it's pouring negativity in your feelings and emotions. You are being practical and strict here for every one of them, and you try to find a solution. You are moving on, you try to move on, but this person and all of them giving you some kind of disappointment, and you are just you are like just you I can't make you understand. So with that statement, you are moving forward and walking away from this connection and from all these discussion, people, whispers, obsession, and all that. Disappointed on this person and whatever the people around you. You try, but also you are trying to find solution. You are being strict and practical and listening everyone peacefully, but they are pouring negativity in you and in your life, mixing poison in your peaceful life. And with this King of Wands, this person, they find you some kind of fiery energy in you, charismatic, charming. They want to impress you. They are just like in fire with this King of Wands. Sometimes you feel like that this person got a lot of narcissistic traits in them. You feel some kind of selfishness in this person sometimes. And with this Ace of Pentacle, but still you are offering them, all of them, and this person stability. You want them to stable and normal, act like stable wise person. You want them to be stable. And this person, there is some kind of self-centered, selfish, narcissistic traits in this person. Okay, let's see what else we have for you. What else we have for you? And we are having here Knight of Cups, Empress, Ace of Wands. This person with this Knight of Cups, you are polite toward this person. You are dealing with this person, Aries, with politeness. You are just like, okay, calm down, relax, we will sort it out. They can feel your politeness and your, the flexible behavior, feelings and emotions. With this Empress card, you are radiant, nurturing, caring. You are trying to deal with everyone with your sweetness and with your kindness. And something is begun. A new passion, a new idea, something is a new. This is about when something is end and the next moment some new beginning with this Ace of Wands. Okay, let's see what else we have for you, Aquarius. This is from future. What else we have for you? And we are having here King, Knight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and Four of Swords. With this Knight of Wands, on and off passion towards you. They feel excited towards you. They feel this person is in a lot of feelings right now, emotionally, passion, and this person is possessed, obsessive over you, possess over a lot of, negative emotions and feelings in this person. This person is in the middle of a war, and their feelings and emotions towards you, their enthusiasm, excited, overwhelmed. And with this Ace of Pentacle, again, you telling every one of them to just hold and be normal and stable. Stop doing this roller coaster kind of thing. Stop, fighting with each other and discussion and whispers and possessive energies and toxic pull and narcissistic traits. You are just offering them stability. That's why this person find you like you are being polite. And in the end, you will take break from this person and every one of them, because now slowly in upcoming days you feel like that I'm sick of it, I can't handle you guys anymore. And this person, you will take break from this person. You need to take rest. Done, giving explanations to everyone. Done making peace with them and make them to peace with each and other. You are totally done and you will take rest. You want to go somewhere far away and alone. You want to take rest. You want to spend some me time. Aquarius. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. It is safe for you to be powerful. You know how to be powerful in a loving way that benefits other as well as yourself. Instead of being tired, you need to be powerful. You can. If you think you can take a stand, go for it. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Give yourself space. Okay. Forgive yourself first. Face your fears. Focus on yourself. Just ignore everyone and focus on yourself. These are few device messages, and the summary of your reading is everyone is talking about you and this person and this connection. This person is arguing with you. They are just feel temptation and pull towards you. They are in a battle right now, protecting themselves, and you are a little bit strict here and trying to find solution, listening everyone but not talking about your feelings and emotions, because I think they don't even listening you. They are just saying and saying things, and you are disappointed. That's the reason you are disappointed and you want to take break from everyone. This person is excited in some kind of roller coaster, and all of them, and you are offering them stability, telling them just calm down, relax, and be stable. But in the end, you feel like that I want to go somewhere far away from everyone. You want to, focus on yourself. You want some me time. These are summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you, Aquarius. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.